Welcome to my channel English Grammar Forming WH Questions Easily Part 2. This lesson is presented by Boosting English with Anu. WH questions: why, reason, which, asking for details, whom for the object, whose, ownership. Why? Why is used for asking about the reason. Why? Examples: why do you look happy? I have won a prize. Why? Examples: why didn't you come yesterday? I was busy with my work. Why? Examples: why are you silent today? I am having a headache. Which year you were born? I was born in 2000. Which of your teachers do you like best? I like my English teacher. Which is quicker, the bus or the train? The train. Which of these skirts is yours? The red skirt is mine. Which do you prefer, tea or coffee? I prefer a cup of tea. Whom is used for the object in a sentence. Whom did you come with today? I came with my mother. Whom did you buy this shirt? I bought this shirt for my brother. To whom do you sell your land? I sold my land to Mr. Henry. By whom was Australia invented? Australia was invented by Captain Cook. Whose, a possessive word related to ownership. Whose is that house? It's Mr. Henry's house. Whose are these shirts? These are Jack's shirts. Whose money is this? It's my friend's money. Whose book did you borrow? I borrowed Jane's book. Use the correct question word. Why, which, whom, whose. Number 1. Blank. One do you like? I like the first one. Number 2. Blank. Did you study with today? I studied with my friend. Number 3. Blank. Don't you read this poem? I don't really have time. Number 4. Blank. Floor is your flat tone. My flat is on the second floor. Answers. Number 1. Which one do you like? I like the first one. Number 2. Whom did you study with today? I studied with my friend. Number 3. Why don't you read this poem? I don't really have time. Number 4. Which floor is your flat tone? My flat is on the second floor. Use the correct question word. Why, which, whom, whose. Number 5. Blank idea is it? It is our teacher's idea. Number 6. Blank, did you inform about the problem? I informed the manager. Number 7. Blank, idea do you agree? Mine or his? I agree your ideas. Number 8. Blank, are you in a hurry? I am feeling so hungry. Answers. Number 5. Whose idea is it? It is our teacher's idea. Number 6. Whom did you inform about the problem? I informed the manager. Number 7. Whose idea do you agree? Mine or his? I agree your ideas. Number 8. Why are you in a hurry? I am feeling so hungry. This is the end of the lesson. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel.